Hi. So in last video we saw how to make our system robust and minimum downtime. So by adding two different HA proxies, two machine with our web server and app server, and two machine, one for master DB and one for slave DB, we tried to make our system robust, which is which prevent us our own server downtime. But then there are, so let's go in our main web server or main, even we can have a web server and app server running on separate machines. So this is our main, let's say this is our app server where our main code is running. Now the thing is, there are some scenarios when we need to, so if we are adding multiple web servers, we need to understand why we need to add another app server or another web server which is having the app server, so that we can handle more load. So one way to do is we keep track of all these stats, stat of application server and stats of the system. This can be done using the tool collectd. This is a open source tool which help us collect all the stats of a particular application server which are running. And using this is collectd is more of a data gathering tool, and then we collect data from collectd and send the data to statsd and then to Graphite. Graphite is a library to show data in a graphical format, and statsd is another open source tool which help us because collectd keep on pushing the data, statsd help in getting the data and then sending the data in a particular manner to Graphite. So now with the help of these three tools, we can track all the activities happening on these particular systems, and that way we know, okay, what is the CPU utilization, what is the memory utilization, how much network is being used, how much memory is being taken by application server, when we are seeing spike, at what point of time we are seeing latency, and all those kinds of information. Now we realize that our CPU usage reached 80%. Now we know this is too high of CPU usage. This can happen because a lot of requests are coming and they are doing a lot of processes. So we know it is a time to add one more application server, and with the help of HA proxy redirect part of our data to another application server. So this way we know when we need to add new servers, and we can track, monitor everything on our application server. So we have lot of machines running, right? Two machine of HA proxy, web servers, application servers, and database. So to monitor which machine goes down, we will use a open source tool, Nagios. This will help. This will run on a separate machine, which is our monitoring machine. What this will do is it will keep checking with what all machines are live, and if any machine goes down, let's say this machine goes down, Nagios will know that this machine is going down because it is not responding, and it will send us a alert message. So that way we know that, okay, one of our machine is down. We can go check what the problem is. We can restart our machine, set up all the configuration, and then we can reset all our systems, like we are back on track. Because if this particular machine goes down, all the data which is going in this particular application server will now go to this application server, and this application server will have high CPU utilization, and even this can cause a cascading effect, because if it is handling a lot of data, all the data will go here, and even this machine is not able to handle the data and it will crash. So that way that's why we are running Nagios, to track what all machines are active. So yeah, this way we are monitoring and we are handling our robust system. Yeah, I think that will help. I hope that will help. All this information will help you make a better system. Thank you.